Welcome to my welding course. I'm Steve Maxwell. I'm the creator and instructor for this course, and I want to thank you for signing up. You've trusted me with some of your time and some of your money, and I really want to make that worthwhile. This course will teach you everything you need to know to become very proficient at using a MIG welder. That's the sort of welder that's the easiest to use out of all the options, and it's also the least expensive way to get into welding too. So in this course I'm going to be explaining exactly what MIG welding is. I'm going to be showing you examples of different machines you might want to consider buying for yourself. Some of them are a couple of $100s, some of them are a couple of $1,000s, depending on what you want. Probably the most important part of the course is where I show you how to get your welder and your body so that it can work properly, so it can weld really well. There are hazards that I'll point out and adjustments to the machine. There's ways of preparing the metal so that the weld bead takes a really firm hold on the metal too. Now, throughout the course, you're going to find it's a combination of text and images, some drawings and illustrations, and also videos. But in addition to all that, I'm always standing by to guide you through, to answer specific questions you have. Maybe you're trying to decide between one machine or the other, or you're having trouble actually getting the welder to work properly. That's what I'm here for. That's why I'm the instructor, and I'm ready by email and even by phone or video conferencing if we need to talk. So once again, thank you, welcome. I'm glad you're here, and get ready to have some fun.